Pick up more packages. I got one from Amazon and one from eBay. First, I'm gonna box the smallest one first and the biggest one. Second, the medium last. So these two are from eBay. This is from Amazon. You are being spoiled a bit. They didn't put it in a box, sadly. Or should they like put it in a proper box? It's always like to surprise you with things. There might be a shipping label on there. I got all the shipping labels off the boxes. Oh my god. I like speakers this phone. Anyways, these are an iPhone speaker lot. I got that for like $5. Plus $3 something like shipping. I think it's $3.79. I'm gonna pause and open the back for you. They got them open. But I mean, I cut them off. Look how tiny the speaker is. I thought it would be like a little bit bigger. I already knew like the iPhone 6 speaker was smaller than that. But the iPhone 11 speaker is even smaller. No, it's actually a bit bigger. But still very tiny. But not bad. They sound good though. Not the worst speakers I've heard. Let's look at an iPhone 7 Plus or an 8 Plus speaker. Not entirely sure. I think they use separate speakers. And they're really tiny. I'm gonna blow some of them out. Don't need too much of them. Let's see the inside of them. It's just a little tiny speaker to nothing like significant. So cute though. This might be an iPhone 10 speaker or something. That is really tiny. Or a 10s speaker. There's no way to hook it up. It's good as a collector's item though. That might be a 6S Plus speaker or something like that. They're old. You can like reuse them. They're very good sounding. Probably better than some shitty laptop speakers. I got a lot of 7 Plus or 8 Plus speakers. They all came in good condition though. This might be a 10s Max speaker. I think that it's from a 10s Max. Oh, it has that weird connector thing. Yeah. The iPhone 15 Pro Max speakers don't have that. The speaker might be dead. It's good to look inside them though. I'm gonna eventually show you a closer look at these speakers. That's stuck together. Oh my god. Fix that. It might be either from an iPhone 10 or an iPhone 11. They use the exact same speaker. Bottom speaker. The iPhone 11 has a different earpiece speaker though. That's a lot of iPhone speakers. Got duplicates of them. I'm definitely gonna probably blow some of them out. Make a good smoke show. I'm gonna pause now. Anyways, you can stack these little speakers on top. It's time to break them. Look at that. Look how more tidy that is. It's all over the place. I got a lot of speakers. On to the next package. I think this is another speaker I ordered. It's pretty light. Definitely not my subwoofer yet. I'm waiting for that to come. That's the most expensive thing I got so far. Not this year though. The graphics card I believe is the most expensive item I got. Actually, definitely. But it's worth it. Oh, bubble wrap. So I got another Anchor AM135 speaker. The reason I got another one because I sold the other one, sadly. But I got a more perfect condition one. This one's in very good condition. There's a little bit of scuff on it though, but it has a volume control. It's pretty cool. Not a bad speaker. They don't sound bad at all. It's much better than some TV speakers. It's not as good as like Sony or LG TV speakers, but it's still pretty decent for a PA speaker. It's meant for like public address use, but it sounds pretty good for decent hi-fi. The bass is pretty fine on it. The only reason your TV speakers might sound better is because it's an enlarged chassis. Like the housing makes it sound like it's bigger. It makes it feel like the speakers are bigger than it really is. This is just a cool little speaker. Not bad. I got like a power cord for it. Last but not least, I ordered a Crown amp for my subwoofer I'm getting. I'm gonna test this with my bookshelf speakers. If it sounds good, great, then I'm gonna order another one. Would definitely be good for budget hi-fi use. Those like hi-fi amps are so fucking expensive. But what do you think they're hi-fi equipment? It's high-end gear. Well, this is a pretty good PA amp. Pretty good for public address use. Staples bother me. Yeah, this box is definitely not worth like keeping. It's definitely meant to be thrown away or recycled. Hopefully the amp is fine. Looks like it is. Oh my god. This is definitely not frustration-free packaging. See if I can get it out. Yeah, I bet they can. Man, that's not that heavy to start to get out. Be careful. I'm going to pause for a second again. So this is it. Comes with a manual, alright, an amp, and a power cord. Not bad at all. Also, this is a Class D amp. Has a lot of ventilation. This is meant for like PA use. It's gonna be used for like a long time. It's really well made. They're pretty durable. It's not that heavy. I can move it with like one hand. That's like convenient. I like that. Don't want a heavy amp. Class D amps are so much lighter. But do they sound good? As always, probably not. Class AB amps probably have like better highs, but I'm gonna still test this out anyways. This is good for like a subwoofer. Consumer grade like Class A amps definitely will sound like a lot better. They're like more expensive though, sadly. But if this sounds very good, then I'm gonna definitely order it. I want it. I think it's gonna sound good with my Eli speakers. They do well with, like some Class D amps I tested, such as the QSC SPA260. I heard some highs from it, so I think the Crown should be good too. So yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.